Hi, my name is Camilla and this is a energizing pranayama or breathwork class. It's great for any time of day. I'm doing it personally first thing in the morning as it's a nice way to activate the energy in the body and to really feel your best. So you don't need anything. It can be nice to sit up on something. I am up on a block, but if you don't have anything, you can be sitting on the floor and coming to a seat that is comfortable for you, so either cross-legged or up on your shins like me. Close our eyes to begin with and just center the body, tuning into the breath. In and out through the nose as you inhale and exhale. Relaxing the face. Taking a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Blinking open the eyes. Coming back to your room. So today we're going to be working with two different styles of pranayama, breath control, and they are both energizing, fiery practices. So if you do feel dizzy, anything like that, you can always pull back and make your breath slower, or you can stop altogether. We'll be doing 2 rounds of each breath with a breath hold in between and then a few gentle recovery breaths as well. So our first breath practice is going to be Kapalabhati, which is known as skull shining breath, and we have the focus on the exhale. The inhale will happen automatically, but we'll be doing a forceful exhale through the nose, really pumping the stomach. I like to hold the stomach here to really feel it moving, and we will be doing, as I said, 2 rounds. Let's take a big normal breath to begin with, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Big inhale. Big exhale. And let's begin inhaling like normal. And then exhale forcefully out. So continuing like this, and we'll keep going for some time. So it's going at your rate, fast or slow. If you feel it's getting too much, try slowing it down before completely stopping altogether. So let's keep going. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big inhale. Hold your breath. Resisting the first urge to breathe. If you need, take a little more sip of air in. Exhale, release. A few recovery breaths here. All right, we'll have one more round of Kapalabhati, so you know what's coming. Hand can be on your stomach, on your legs. Big inhale. big inhale. Holding at the top. Taking a sip of air in if you need. And exhaling a few recovery breaths. Just noticing how your body is feeling. Any shifts, any sensations. And we'll move on to our second and final type of pranayama for today. It's called Bhastrika Pranayama, which is known as bellows breathing. So it will be both a forceful exhale and inhale this time. So forceful on both breaths. And I can demonstrate now. So closing your eyes, inhaling, lifting your hands up, exhaling, drawing your elbows down as you exhale forcefully. Strong inhale, strong exhale, strong inhale, strong exhale. All right. So again, we'll do 2 rounds, a few recovery breaths and a breath hold in between. Closing your eyes if that's going to help you focus. 1 normal breath, hands coming to your side, making fists. Inhale. Exhale. Let's begin. Last one. And hold, big breath in. Holding at the top. Softening the face. Resisting the first urge to breathe. Relaxing into it. Taking a sip of air as you need. And release. So we have 1 more round to go. Notice if you're starting to hunch in your posture, finding an extra centimeter of length through the spine, sitting tall. Do deep breaths. Beautiful. So we'll have our final round of breathing, remembering to listen to your body, slow or fast as you need. Hands come out to the side, closing your eyes. Let's begin. And release. Big inhale in. Hold. Taking a sip of air in as you need. And exhale, breathing normally. See if you can scan your body for any adjustments, shifts, changes of energy. Noticing your heart beating. Noticing how you feel. For me, I can really feel my heartbeat. I can feel some tingling, almost goosebumps through my skin, but also a sense of lightness in the body. For you, it might be completely different, and that's the beauty of this. We're all in our own bodies. We're all having our unique experience of this world. I invite you to close the eyes again. Bring your hands to heart center. Feeling the pressure of the palms, the fingers against each other. And bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks so much for joining me and in this short pranayama class. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe for more. And I wish you a beautiful rest of your day, hopefully with some renewed energy after all this breathing. You did a great job. All right, bye.